one makes two, but three becomes a crowd. Friends are meant to be just friends, and love was never said. You don't believe I really love you, I don't know why I should care. Often think about you, wish that you were here, but you don't believe I really love you.
Our model today is Doreen. Doreen is a singer, and we're doing a natural day look for the over 40s range. We've prepped the skin, and now what we're doing is putting a Lush skin tint in the shade of Charisma, just to give a bit of a glow under that foundation. Colour correcting under the eyes, and using a bit of a Bobbi Brown concealer, just to bring that all back to normal. Then we used a Bobbi Brown liquid foundation on her skin to get all that beautiful one tone. On the eyebrows, just using a brow powder in the shade of Ebony. For our eyeshadows, I've used 3 different shades here. A nude colour, a mid-tone brown, and a dark brown on the contour. On the crease line there, just use that middle colour brown. Just making sure blending all the way. I've used a bronze just above the lash line. And a mid-shade brown just under the eyes before. Curling the lashes there. Used a terracotta orange for the blush for her. Using a Lush Cosmetics Eye Bright mascara, giving her 2 coats. And curling the lashes will always open up the eyes. On the lips, just used a Cameo colour by Napoleon. It's a nice sort of brownish colour. And for the lips, I've used it's called Major Dusty Lip Patrol. For this look on our model Doreen, we've just done a day look. It's quite natural, but we've used some Bobbi Brown Skin Long water resistant foundation on her face, with some of the stick foundation in some spots where just to cover some redness. We've also used the full concealer coverage from Bobbi Brown as well under her eyes, and then we mixed in her foundation with some Charisma skin tint from Lush Cosmetics, and we used the Lush mascara as well. And what do you think of this look today?
I love the look. It's very natural, and thank you so much. I'm happy.
Oh, great. This production has been brought to you by Someday Pictures and Jenstar Makeup. You can follow us on Instagram.
Make him beautiful. Gwabadabiny.